myself Monica and I'm a legal intern in Lexis and Company, and today we'll be talking about types of company registered in the Companies Act. Companies Act in various jurisdictions provide the different types of companies that can be incorporated and operated under its provisions. The specific types of companies that can vary depending on the country and its legal framework. However, I can provide you with the overview of some type of companies that are often found in the Companies Act. First, private limited company. Second, public limited company. Third, sole proprietorship. Fourth, partnership. Fifth, limited liability company. And sixth, non-profit company. First is private limited company. This is the most common type of company, typically denoted as LTD and or PVT Ltd as a separate legal entity from its owners, shareholders and others limited liability protection. These companies have restrictions on the transfer of shares and cannot raise capital from public. Public limited company. Public limited companies are denoted as PLC or LTD public limited. These can raise capital from public through the sale of shares and are subject to more regulatory requirements than private limited companies. The shares of a public limited company are freely transferable. Sole proprietorship. While not strictly a company under the Companies Act, a sole proprietorship is a business structure in a single individual owns and operates the business. It does not have a separate legal entity and the owner has unlimited personal liability. Partnership. A partnership is a business structure where two or more individuals come together as a partner to carry on a business with the aim of making a profit. Partner share the profits, loss, and management responsibilities. In some jurisdictions, there are specific types of partnerships, such as general partnerships, limited liability partnerships. Limited liability company. A limited liability company is a hybrid entity that combines element of corporation or a partnership. It provides limited liability protection to its members while allowing flexibility in terms of management and taxation. The specific regulation for LLCs can vary across different jurisdictions. Non-profit company. Non-profit company, also known as not-for-profit or charitable organizations, are entities formed for promoting social, charitable, educational or other public welfare objectives. They do not distribute profits to shareholders or any surplus generated is reinvested back to the organization's activities. It's important to note that the specific types of company and their characteristics may vary from one jurisdiction to another. The Companies Act or equivalent legislation in each country provides detailed provisions regarding the requirements, regulations and operations of each type of company. Now I would like to wind up my topic and in case if anybody is having any doubt, they can ask me in the comment section. I will take one-on-one questions and